In this tutorial, you will learn how to create and animate an optical illusion text effect. I will use several different text distortions under the Effects tab in the Art Text Inspector panel to create an optical illusion text effect. First, I will add two distortions, displacement and roundness. Slightly reduce the roundness parameter, and for the displacement distortion, change the mask to Perlin noise 1. Then adjust the scale parameter and set the amount to 0. After that, let's move on to the Geometry tab to use one of the transformation shapes. I will use the convex shape and move the slider to the far left to make the transformation effect unnoticeable. Then I will resize and position the text in the middle of my document. Those were my preparations for the initial keyframe, where the animation will start. And I can press the Add Keyframe button to create the first keyframe. Then I press the Add Keyframe button to add another keyframe. In the new keyframe, I change the text by pulling the slider in the geometry shape. But keep the text within the background borders. Next, I add one more keyframe and pull the slider back to the leftmost position. Now you can switch back to the Effects tab to manipulate the distortions. But before that, add a keyframe and then pull the amount slider to the right for the displacement distortion. After that, add one more keyframe and return the slider to the 0 position. Since our text at the end looks exactly as it does in the beginning, there is no need to loop it. So, I will simply go ahead and export the animation. Try to animate simple text transformations yourself.